Hello everyone, now we are doing 3.5 Solving Nonlinear Systems. So what is nonlinear? The equations which are not linear are known as a nonlinear. Linear equations mean if an equation represents a line, that equation is known as a linear equation. Non-linear means if equation not represent a line, that's a non-linear equation. So they are representing it like that. So they are giving a quadratic equation that's a non-linear. And another identification to check it's a linear or non-linear, the power of independent variable will be more than 1. Here the highest power is 2. This is not a linear. And here highest power is 1. That is a linear. So this is a non-linear and this is a linear. And how to solve two system of equation in which one is linear and one is non-linear. If you checking by the graphing and the graph is like this, the two graphs are not intersecting. If they are not intersecting, I will say no solution. It's no solution. If they intersect at a only single value, on a one point, so I will say one solution. And if this line cuts the curve at a 2 points, it has a 2 solutions. Okay, next. So now the both are curves. It's not always one is a curve, one is a linear and one will be non-linear. Both can be non-linear. We have to solve two non-linear equations. Then what? If we are looking with the graphs, then the two graphs are not intersecting. So no solution. Here, the graph is intersecting at one point. It is a one solution. And here, it is intersecting at a 2 points. So I will say 2 solutions. Okay, let's see next. Solve the system by graphing. Here, one equation is this, second equation is this. We have to solve by equation. How to solve it? This is the curve y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 1. And this curve is y equals to negative 2x negative 1. They are intersecting at this point. And the coordinates of this point is 0, negative 1. If this point is a point of intersection of these two curves, so it must satisfy two equations. So I will substitute in the first one. Y is negative 1 and x is 0 in the first. In equation 1, negative 1 is equals to 0 square minus 2 times 0, negative 1. This is negative 1, this is negative 1. So yes, it satisfies for the first equation. Now, in equation 2, negative 1 is equals to negative 2 times 0, negative 1. Negative 1 equals to negative 1. So it satisfies the second equation as well. So this point is a common solution for the both equations. Okay. So you will say 0, negative 1 is the solution of system of equation. System of equations. Okay, next. Solve the system by substitution. We will use substitution. So it will be easy to calculate the value from linear and substitute in the non-linear. Here it is difficult to substitute x because I have to substitute here and here. So instead of substituting x value, I will prefer to solve with the y. So from this equation, y is equals to 4 minus x. Now substitute this y Here, x square plus 6 minus 4 minus 6 equals to negative 1. X square plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 negative 1. X square plus 2x, negative 1 will be there, so plus, so negative 3 equals to 0. The factors will be x plus 3 and x minus 1. These are the two factors. So if you solve these two, you will get x value is negative 3 and x value is positive 1. You got the 2x values. As you have it 2x values, you will get 2y values. So I am substituting negative 3 here. X plus y equals to 4. Substitute x as a negative 3. Y equals to 7. So negative 3 comma 7 is a one solution. Now substitute 1. 1 plus y is 4. Y equals to 3. So 1 comma 3 is the solution. Okay. These two are solution of the given equations. Next, solve the system by elimination. Look at the first. X here will not cancel. X is not going to cancel. But y can be cancelled if I add these two equations. So I am adding equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. It's 2x here minus 5x minus y equals to negative 2. X here plus 2x plus y equals to 0. If I add, this will be cancelled. This is 3x here minus 3x equals to negative 2. Shift everything to the one side. 3x here, negative 3x plus 2 equals to 0. In this, x will be 3 plus minus square root of negative 3 square, negative 4, 3, 2. I am using quadratic formula we did in the last lecture. You can check it. 2 into 3. So x is 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 24. 9 minus 24. It's a 50, negative 50. But square root of negative 50. That means it is not a real solution. If x is not a real solution, how this will be y exist? So I will say there is no real solution. No real solution. Okay. Next. Now it's a circle. One is a circle and one is a straight line. Here these two are not intersecting, so no solution. The line is intersecting the circle at a one point, so one solution. Circle and the line intersecting at a 2 points, so two solutions. Okay. Right. To solve the system of equation by substitution, you can check. This is a equation of circle. If you are familiar with this thing, x minus a square, y minus b square equals to r square. Equation of the circle in a center and radius form. We have to use substitution. To substitute this y here. X square plus negative 3x plus 10 whole square equals to 10. Open the square. 9x square, 10 into 3, 30 to the 60, negative 60x plus 100 equals to 10. 9 and 1, 10x square, minus 60x plus 9 equals to 0. If you want, you can divide by 10. It will be easy then. Okay. X here, 6x plus 9 equals to 0. I will get x minus 3 whole square 0. So only value of x is 3. 3 is the only value. As you got x is a 3, substitute here. Y equals to negative 3x plus 10. X is 3 plus 10. It's negative 9 plus 10. So y equals to 1. So answer is 3, 1. 3, 1 is solution. Alright. Sometimes the equation cannot be solved manually. So then we use graphing calculator or simple calculator you can use. Here it says solve this by graphing. When this is equals to this, when these two curves equal, we have to find solution. Let's draw this. See this. Here, this red color is this equation, red colored curve, blue colored curve is this second curve. When they're intersecting at this point and they're intersecting at this point. These 2 points will be the answer. We are looking for x values. At what x value? X is approximately 0.43 and another x is approximately negative 1.18. These are the solutions. Okay, so we did different methods to solve non-linear equations. I hope you understand, and we will continue in the next lecture for the next 3.6. Thanks for watching.